Now, so this is indefinite integral. So, what is indefinite integral? First of all, you will know about integrations. What is integration? Integrations differentiations का उल्टा है. Integrations is the antiderivative of a function. So here it is the inverse process of differentiation. Inverse process of differentiations का मतलब है clear differentiations का उल्टा है. जैसे sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x है, तो cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है. ऐसे फाइनल एक फंक्शन कंसीडर किया, इफ इस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव f(x) है, तो इसका इंटीग्रल gx प्लस c है. जब ऐसा होगा integration f(x) dx equal to gx plus c, this is symbol of integration, this is called integral, this is called differential for x, this is called integral. Clear? So this f(x) is called integrand and gx is called primitive or integral and c is the constant of integration. क्लियर. सो इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए कुछ स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला का रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला आपका दिमाग में होना चाहिए. देखो कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव जीरो का इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट है, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस सी है, लैम्डा एक्स प्लस सी का डेरिवेटिव लैम्डा है, लैम्डा का इंटीग्रेशन लैम्डा एक्स प्लस सी है. जैसे 5 का इंटीग्रेशन 5x प्लस सी, 10 का इंटीग्रेशन 10x प्लस सी, 100 का इंटीग्रेशन 100x प्लस सी, लाइक दिस. ठीक है. एंड x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, so this is x to the power n dx equal to this statement is true is only when n is not equal to minus 1. e to the power x का डेरिवेटिव e to the power x, तो e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power x है. e to the power x by log a का डेरिवेटिव e to the power x, तो e to the power x का जो इंटीग्रेशन होगा e to the power x by log a. जैसे 2 का पावर x, उसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा ना, 2 का पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन होगा 2 का पावर x by log 2 है. 5 का पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, 5 का पावर x by log 5 है, लाइक दिस. Clear? Now log of mod x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है 1 by x, so 1 by x इंटीग्रेशन log of mod x. क्लियर. फार्मूला 1 में इस 7 फार्मूला है, इसको आपको अच्छा से याद करना पड़ेगा. Now so indefinite integral तो के लिए कुछ स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट है, वो स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट आपको याद रखना है. सो दिस इज जैसा sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x है, cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है, माइनस cos x का डेरिवेटिव sin x है, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos x है, tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec स्क्वायर x है, sec स्क्वायर x का इंटीग्रेशन tan x है, cot x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस cot x का डेरिवेटिव cosec स्क्वायर x है, तो cosec स्क्वायर x dx का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cot x प्लस c है. sec x का डेरिवेटिव sec x tan x, तो sec x tan x का इंटीग्रेशन sec x प्लस c है, माइनस cos x का डेरिवेटिव cosec x cot है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव माइनस cosec x प्लस c है. क्लियर. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्लियर. इस सब का इंटीग्रेशन क्लियर ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है, इसीलिए इसको भी अच्छा से याद कर लेना. फॉर्मूला 3 1 by x dx log mod x, 1 by root x dx, so this is 1 by x square minus 1 by x plus c, root x dx 2 by 3x to the power 3 by 2 plus c है, 1 by root x dx, so that is 2 root x plus c है. क्लियर. फॉर्मूला 2 का एप्लीकेशन ज़्यादा मिलता है, इसीलिए इसका बारे में कोई भी ठीक है कोई भी गलत आंसर नहीं होना चाहिए. फार्मूला 1, फार्मूला 2, फार्मूला 3 आपका ग्रिप में होना चाहिए, तो इंटीग्रेट करना आपके लिए बहुत आसान होगा. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू वांट टू बी वेरी गुड इन एनी टाइप ऑफ मैथ्स एग्जाम्स, सो दैट वन मे बी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स और JEE एग्जाम्स, देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू डिसिप्लिन, डेडिकेटेड एज वेल एज डिटरमाइंड. Now whenever you will integrate these types of functions, so number and base जब सेम होगा तो इसका वैल्यू 1 होता है. सो दिस इज 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस c है. क्लियर. ये दोनों में इंटरचेंज होता है. सो दिस इज 3 to the power log 2 to the base x, so you can write, so this is 2 to the power log 3 to the base x, इसको कुछ चेंज नहीं करना. so this is log 3 to the base x dx, so दोनों ही तो कैंसिल, so it will get, so this is 0 dx. 0 dx का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट है. So this is equal to product of two functions, 2 to the power x into 5 to the power x. Clear. So I have to write 2 into 5 whole to the power x dx. So this is integration 10 to the power x dx. So this is 10 to the power x by, so this is log 10. So this is plus c. ठीक है. And then clear. So this is division form, 3 to the power x by 4 to the power x. So you can say 3 by 4 whole to the power x dx. So this is 3 by 4 whole to the power x. So this is by, ठीक है, log 3 by 4. So this is plus c है. This is a fantastic questions, clear, for board exams. Now integrate. So the function is 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx. Clear. Whenever you will get these types of questions, so that what you do, you separate these two terms, 1 by cos square x minus, so this is sin x by cos square x dx. And then what you will do, so you will write, so this is sec square x dx, and so this is sec x tan x dx. So 1 by cos square x, so that is sec square x, sin by cos, that is tan, 1 by cos, so that is sec. So you know the standard result of this. So sec square x, so that is 10x, and so this is what? So this is sec x plus c here. This is the real integral of this integration. Now this is a fantastic questions from NCERT. Clear integrations cosec x into cosec x plus cot x dx. So that thing what you do, just simply multiply this. So this is cosec x square x plus cosec x cot x dx. So cosec square x, integrations of cosec square x, so that is minus cot x, and so this is cosec x cot x, so that is what? Minus cosec x. So this is plus c. Now this is another fantastic questions from NCERT exercise 7.1, integration sec square x by cosec square x. What to write? Just you take it from in numerator, and so this one is denominator. So it will get, so this is sine square x, and so this is cos square x dx. So this is what you'll get. So this is tan square x dx. And then what you do, so you will write, so this is sec square x minus 1 into dx. So this is what? So this is tan x minus x plus c. This is a fantastic question for board exam. Now integration sec x into sec x plus tan x. So this is a question from NCERT exercise 7.1. And then what we do here, simply multiply. So this is sec square x, and so this is sec x tan x dx. So this is what? Sec square x, so that is tan x, and sec x tan x, so this is what? So this is sec x plus c here. You have to write every time c. C will represent indefinite integral. Now this is a fantastic question from NCERT exercise 7.1, integrations 2 minus sin x by cos square x dx. You integrate this function. So what you do here, just simply separate the terms. So this is 2 by cos square x minus sin x. So this is by cos square x dx. So what we'll write here, so this is 2 sec square x minus, so this is sec x and tan x dx. And then what we'll do, sec square x integration, so this is tan x, and so this is sec x plus c here. This is a fantastic questions for board exams like CBSE ISC state board as well as CUET maths. Now this is a fantastic questions MCQ from NCERT exercise 7.1. So this is root x plus 1 by root x dx. So my dear friends, whenever you will get these types of integration, root x means x to the power half, 1 by root x means x to the power minus half dx. So this is what you'll get, x to the power half plus 1, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, x to the power half by half plus c. So this is equal to is what? 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, and so this is x to the power half plus c here. So that is what? Clear. So what you'll get, so this is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2, 2 into x to the power half plus c. So third option is the right choice here. This is a fantastic questions for CBSE ISC state board CUET maths and छोटे मोटे जितना JEE exams है. Clear? So my dear friends, if you want to be very good in JEE mathematics or board mathematics, you have to be disciplined, dedicated as well as determined. Now, so this is a fantastic question from NCERT exercise 7.1. If derivative of this equal to this, such that f of 2 is equal to 0, then fx is. Integrations, what is integrations? Integrations is the antiderivative of a function. So my dear friends, if this equal to this, so that is the integrations of this equal to fx. Clear? So therefore integrations of f of x, okay, integrations of, so this is 4x cube minus 3 by x4 dx, so that is equal to fx. Integrations is the antiderivative of a function. if किसी एक फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव जैसे sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x है, तो cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है, इसका डेरिवेटिव a है, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन fx है. Clear? So and then what you do, so this implies that, so you write, so this is fx, and here what you write here, so this is 4 into x4 by 4. ठीक है, and then what we do, minus x to the power minus 4, 3 into x to the power minus 3, so this is by minus 3 plus c है. So what you get, so this is 4 cancel, so this is x4 minus minus plus 1 by x cube, 3 cancel, and so this is plus c है. And then is what? Clear? f of 2 equal to 0 है, put x equal to 2 है. Clear? Suppose if you put x equal to 2, ठीक है, x equal to 2 means f of 2, clear, c plus, so what you'll get, so this is this is 16 plus 1 by 8 equal to f of 2. F of 2 is 0. So C is what? Now minus 128. So this is by 8. Just simply you put here. So this is fx equal to, so this is x4 plus 1 by x cube minus 128. 129 by 8 है. So my dear friends, A option is the right choice है. यहीं पे आपको अप्लाई करना है basic definitions of integration. What is integration? Now integration is the anti-derivative of a function. क्लियर? किसी फंक्शंस का डेरिवेटिव, जैसा sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x है तो cos x का इंटीग्रेशन sin x है, इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन fx है. Now we integrate tan square x dx, so that is, so there is no standard results of tan square x. You will convert this one into sec square x, so that is what? Sec square x minus 1, so that is dx. So this is equal to, so this is tan x minus x plus c. Now this is another fantastic question. It's cos square x dx. So this is equal to is what? So this is, you can write cosec square x minus 1 dx. So that is what? Minus cot x minus x plus c. Now this is a fantastic question. Integration dx by sin square x cos square x. So anybody will get these types of questions, so that what you do, will write, so this is sin square x plus cos square x. So this is dx by sin square x into cos square x. Clear? क्यों? sin square x plus cos square x, so that is 1 है, and you will separate this term. So this by this, so it will get, so this is 1 by cos square x dx, and so this is 1 by sin square x dx. So this is what? So this is sec square x dx, and so this is what? Cosec square x dx. So that is equal to is what? So this is tan x, and so this is cot x plus c here. This is the fantastic questions for board as well as JEE exam. Now this is a fantastic question. Integration sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. So that you have to do, just simply separate the term here. So this by this, what will get? Sin cancel, so this is 1 by cos square x, and this by this, so this is 1 by sin square x dx. So what will get? So this is sec square x, and so this is cosec square x dx. So and then what to do? Sec square x integration, so this is tan x, and so this is cot x plus c. Tan x plus cot x plus c. Now this is a fantastic questions. Here from integration sin 4x plus cos 4x by sin square x cos square x. Just simply clear, separate the term, this by this, so it will get, so this is sin square x by cos square x, and so this is cos square x by sin square x, so this is dx. So it will get, so this is equal to tan square x, and so this is what? Cot square x dx. Tan square x means, so this is sec square x minus 1 plus cosec square x minus 1 dx. Sec square x, so that is tan x, cosec square x minus cot x, minus 1 minus 2x, so this is plus c here. This is the fantastic questions clear for board as well as JEE mathematics. Now, so integration cos 4x minus sin 4x by under root of 1 plus cos 4x. So this is what will write? Cos square x minus sin square x, and so this is cos square x plus sin square x, and so this is by under root of, so this is what will get? So this is 2 cos square 2x dx, and so this is what will write? This is 1, and so this is cos 2x, and so this is root 2 into cos 2x dx. So this is cancelled. So it will get 1 by root 2, so this is dx. So this is x by root 2 plus c here. This is a fantastic question for board as well as JEE mathematics. Now, this is a fantastic question from integrations 1 plus tan square x by 1 plus cot square x. What will write here? So this is 1 plus tan square x, and so this is, you will write 1 plus 1 by tan square x dx. And you take LCM, so it will get, so this is tan square x into 1 plus tan square x, and so this is by 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay, this is cancelled. So this is tan square x dx. So that is what? So this is sec square x minus 1 dx. So this is tan x minus x plus c here. This is a fantastic questions for your forthcoming board as well as JEE maths. Now, so this is a fantastic question from integration. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is equal to is what 2 cos square x minus 1, and so this is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So this is by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is dx. Okay, clear? The way 1 cancel, so it will get. So this is cos square alpha minus, clear? So this cos square x minus cos square alpha. So this is cos x minus cos alpha dx. So it will get, so this is cos x plus cos alpha. So this is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. So this is by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So this is like this. And then what you do, the integrates cos x integration. So that is this sin x. This is constant. So constant, this are lambda. Lambda का integration क्या होगा? Lambda x. So this is x into cos alpha. So this is plus c. This is a fantastic question for your forthcoming board as well as JEE exam. Now, so integration cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x into 1 plus sin 2x dx. So you can write, so this is cos x minus sin x, and so this is by cos x plus sin x. So sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. In place of 1, you can write cos square x plus sin square x. So you can write, so this is cos x plus sin x whole square. So this is dx. So this is cancelled. Okay, and cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x. So it will get, so this is cos square x minus sin square x dx. So this is equal to a square. So this is cos 2x dx. So this is cos 2x, so this is sin 2x, and you write the derivative of this term, clear, is the denominator will equal. So this is plus c here. This is a fantastic question. So actually this is a PYQJ advanced, but this is very simple. These types of questions can be asked in board as well as JEE exam. We will discuss about this 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x whole square by 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x dx. So that time what to do? So you will write, so here just simply you will write the formula of a plus b whole square. So it will get, so this is 2 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power 2x plus 2 into 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x, and so this is 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x dx. So this is this by this. So it will get 2 to the power x by 3 to the power x, this by this. Okay, so it will write, so this is 3 to the power x by 2 to the power x, and this by this, so this is 2 dx. So this is equal to is what, 2 by 3 whole to the power x, and so this is 3 by 2 whole to the power x dx. Okay, so this is 2 by 3 whole to the power x by log of, so this is 2 by 3, and so this is 3 by 2 whole to the power x by log of, so this is 3 by 2, and so this is 2x plus c here. This is a fantastic question for your forthcoming board as well as JEE exam.